If you are curious about how options prices move, you need to understand the Greeks. Let us break down these 4 key risk metrics. The Greeks are mathematical values that help traders measure how different factors affect the price of an option contract. Think of them as a dashboard for your trade, showing exactly how changes in price, time, or volatility impact your potential profit or loss. Delta, gamma, theta, and Vega are the most common metrics used to analyze risk in an options portfolio. Delta monitors the stock price, while theta represents the silent cost of time working against an option holder. As you can see, the impact of time decay, or theta, grows significantly as an option approaches its expiration date. Remember that these metrics are just tools. They help manage risk, but they cannot predict exactly where the market will go. Thanks for watching. Understanding the Greeks is a great step towards smarter trading. Educational content, not financial advice.